Good morning, good Sunday. So this is our day every Sunday, guys. So finish na kami ng election day.
Hi guys!
Hi, good morning everyone. Happy Sunday. May God bless your Sunday. Another day, another Sunday. Unsa ko masukan. So we're done with Manamit Church.
Uy, happy tata!
6:30 a.m. and then we had our lechon also. Unsa gi karon nga data? Sunday is a
Lechon Day of Jesus Day.
Oh, very good. Good job, baby. So, and now we're going to Bukidnon. Ay, nananibis.
Dito na kami sa natin.
So we're going to Potter's Garden, guys. So
We're hoping na okay ang weather until
So going siya to Pumaykay na Dahilayan na area. So first time namin doon. So hopefully maganda yung experience natin ngayon doon. So samahan nyo kami, guys. Punta tayo Potter's Garden.
Keep safe everyone.
Bye!
See you later!
So welcome to Damila, guys. So drop by muna kami dito. So ito yung lupa na balayan daw ni Geog ni Italong ni Yana. So dagko ng palkata ni Walborgs, pwede na niya makakuan. So nandito si Ethan, EJ. Hi, Ma'am.
Love of your life.
Yeah, love of my life. So soon to rise. EJ's Garage Rest House.
Where pa?
So first stop, nandito kami kang Philips, guys. So bili muna kami ng Chocomilk, yung favorite ni EJ. So papunta kaming Co-op, BCC Bukidnon Community Cooperative. So bibili kami ng Chocomilk, guys. So first stop natin going sa Potter's Garden. Hi, EJ. Yung way, guys, papuntang Potter's Garden. So papunta kayo ng Daylight, guys. Try nyo itong pizza shop. Ito yung isa sa must try pizza dito, guys. So ito yung may Potter's Garden, guys. So ito yung status ng So saan tayo, Ma?
We're now here in Potter's Garden.
Potter's Garden, guys.
I've heard the talk on the town. you ain't sound. But I don't believe any of that. I've got a whole nother view. Yeah, I think there's a treasure waiting for someone to prove himself worthy or true. Yeah, like a dandelion, my love stuck the roots for you.
So, nandito na kami sa Potter's Garden, guys. So, ito, masarap yung pagkain daw dito. So, try natin yung mga bestseller. Tapos, healthy pa kasi nga organic halos lahat ng siniserve dito na pagkain. So, hopefully, na-enjoy tayo. Tapos, yun, maging healthy tayo.
Gonna reach your I've asked you out.
So may mga rooms pala dito sila, guys. So pwede kanyong overnight dito. Tapos yung mga room nila is good for 4 daw. So check natin mamaya kung ano yung nasa loob ng room nila, guys, kung ano yung itsura nasa loob ng room. So kung gusto nyo chill lang, tapos nature trip. So ito yung one place na ma-recommend ko dito sa Dahilayan, guys. So yun, check natin later. Chocolate chiller, guys. So one of the recommend ko sa mga kids. So kung may kids kayo kasama, guys, sarap. 10 out of 10. So feel private talaga dito, guys. So gusto nyo ng area na yun, gusto ng peace of mind, less crowded, guys, puntahan nyo Potter's Garden at Dahilayan.
My love's gonna break right through. Yeah, like a dandelion, my love stuck the roots for you. Like a dandelion.
Natin sa una ang pamilya.
So this is beef quesadilla, guys, from quesadilla. Try natin, rate natin, guys. Ito yung sauce niya. Sarap.
Maligit!
Sarap, guys.
Singko.
Try nyo for
Poison.
appetizer.
Singko.
Sarap yung sauce.
Ano, try ito, no? Tan.
Penas.
10 out of 10. Perfect.
Two. One. Nasa padawa. The flavor.
Sarap?
Singko.
Ano yan, ma?
Pesto pasta.
Pesto pasta.
Morning, we're here. Potter's Garden. Asa na? We are now eating the pesto pasta.
This is homemade, guys. So sila lang may gumawa nito. Sarap. Yung lasa niya, guys, talagang mag-spread sa tongue mo. Must try din to sa mga pasta nila. Tapos yun nga, organic, healthy pa, di ba?
Power of words, tell me stories, legends before. Ones who ran with the wolves, broke free, free from all ropes. Pharaoh's strength, the one who can't be contained.
Ano yung mga room available na to karon guys? So, natay villa 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, 5 siya if na may garden view. So, na po siya ikot sa garden. Tapos
Access.
5,000. Tapos good for 4 siya guys. So, if ever nga 5 mo, pwede mo extra bed siguro. So, mag-ask lang ta sa assistant guys. So, money siya. 4 rooms. Tapos na po din sa likod guys. So, na-going ta 10,000. Good for 8 packs. So nice kayo siya. Gusto mo medyo private tapos family of 10. Okay na di akong gayud. So hali, samahan nyo kami.